First thing you need to do to get going with your wireless load bars is to go to the Apple or Google Play Store, download the Animal Performance app, create an account, and then you're ready to get weighing. When the wireless load bars are shipped, we make sure the little electronics box is turned off, but the first time you use this product you need to turn the unit on. This will only ever have to be done once in the lifetime of the product, and we're expecting the product to last up to 10 years in the field. I've downloaded the app and I've created my Galahara account. So I go in and open up the Galahara Animal Performance app, and I'm going to create a new session in order to receive weights from the wireless load bars. I give the session a name, and I can choose to draft by weight if I want, and then go through the settings in there, but in this case I'm going to proceed straight into weighing. The app's going to search for the wireless load bars. When they're found, you'll see the picture and icon appear on your screen. You select that icon and hit connect. This process will take up to 30 seconds as the pairing between the bars and the phone connection is made. Once connected, you can see the current weight is 0, and when a weight comes onto the bars, then the weight changes on the screen, so you're ready to start weighing. And if you wish to weigh in pounds rather than kgs, you can easily change those units. Go into menu, to settings, and there's an option for weight units, and you can just toggle those to pounds. As you've seen with these wireless load bars, it's so simple to turn your phone into a weigh scale and record all your data and weights right here on your Animal Performance mobile app. For more information about these wireless load bars and more of our Weighing and EID product range, visit us at am.galahara.com.